told this guy to get ready and wait for the signal. The cantilever's right here. They're calling him now. Just told me to watch the signal again. Another train coming. I'm hearing, seeing some smoke back there. This is going to be that auto rack that was behind the other train. SD78. Dash 9 there. Main track number 1, eastbound. We're at milepost 63. Full of automobiles. I can see them shining through the slits. Sand in the rails, it looks like. Okay, the train on main track number 1 is finished. We're out here before sunrise. Got some great videos today. Make sure you check it all out. Got some great catches. And beautiful scenery. Wonderful sunset. Excuse me, sunrise. Nice racks. Got the sun right behind me.
Speed down 27.
See the cars in there. Must be a bunch of Japanese cars. Heading east.
Conta, BNSF 8084 over. After stopping BNSF 8084 at Summit, you have authority to pass signals to find stop indication, main 3 to main 3 east. Over.
It's one of these trains.
That is correct, over.
Starting to heat up now. We don't have any wind yet, which is unusual. Nice. I'm sure it's on the way though.
7428, all red, all stop. SP 471, siding out.
Actually, it might be the train that went by before these. There's a train up there on the Palmdale cutoff of UP. Yep. Might be able to see it through the cracks here. Northbound, it sounds like.
10. 5. Give me 3 more. Time you get it down. Ready for the first. Extremely hard. 45 back to you naked. 45, 5 seconds.
Pretty good action here. There's 125, that's an LA crew.
Success 3 West.
Been around a long time. Some of the OGs there.
I don't think it's the whole train, but make sure you talk to the air. Over.
420K.
Are those the cars that they want that out over? The GM. So talk to the A-guard about where they want this set out at the GM over. It's a dispatcher.
It's a lot of autos.
Starting at 2335.
Really starting to heat up now. Might be about time to call it a day. Southern Pacific Auto-rack there.
You're moving, I'll take 2-5, stop and talk. Yeah, pull it up to like 34th. 34th to 25th. Then I'll meet you in whatever, 55.
All right, that was a lot of fun. Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share with your family and friends. We're driving strong for 8,000 subscribers. Appreciate all your help. If you want to go a step further, we got super thanks, Patreon, and channel memberships. All you contributors, listen for your shout outs. All right, we're going to get in that cool car, figure out what we're going to do next. Got a lot of trains today. Might go get some lunch and call it a day, or see what else happens. It's a beautiful day. You guys have a great week. We love you. Thanks for watching. Watch a couple more, and we're going to catch you on the next one. What's next, bud? Time for an iced tea. Sit out by the pool. Plan your next videos. Take the rest of the day off. Take care, guys. Love you. Hello, Cajon Pass Railroad fans. Buddy wanted me to take a moment to thank all of our assistant producers. You know, you contributors that keep us going strong. John Powell, Gert Bota, Danny Turner, Silence 7, Nancy Hodges, Large Gary, Tom Riccardi, Eddie Labar, Michael Fox, Richard Everly, Jay Geist, John Prang, Illinois Man, Lyle Larson, John Hansen, Preet Buzz Aldrin, Sam Sanderson, and One Adventures 2. Thanks for your support. We appreciate it. We love you guys, and we're going to catch you on the next ones. Take care. Thanks for watching, and watch a couple more.